असं म्हणतात, विश्वाला गवसणी घालायची असेल तर आधी स्वतःला ओळखावं लागतं, आणि स्वतःला ओळखायचं असेल तर विश्वाच्या डोळे घालूनच पाहायला शिकावं लागतं. कोणतरी लोक या आपल्या मराठवाड्याच्या भूमीत जन्मलेला एक माणूस संत नामदेव यांनी ह्या दोन्ही गोष्टी अख्ख्या विश्वाला शिकवल्या. एका हातात मी आणि दुसऱ्या हातात भगवंत. अशा या नामदेवाची अभंगवाणी इतकं विश्वापर्यंत घेऊन जाणारे, परंतु नामदेव महाराज म्हणतात, नामातयाचा किंकर मी काहीही नाही. ऐकूया नामातयाचा किंकर. मूळ लेखक विद्याधर ताठे, ट्रान्सक्रिएटर आणि अभिवाचक सौ पायल पवन पातुरकर. ऐकूया नामातयाचा किंकर.
नामातयाचा किंकर. Namdev, servant of God. Sant Namdev's life is considered to be from 1192 to 1272. Sant Namdev was born before 5 years of Sant Jnandev, but he worked for more than 50 years after Sant Jnandev took Samadhi. There are many companions of Sant Jnandev, but companionship between Sant Jnandev and Sant Namdev is so heartly and exceptional. Sakha Virala Jnaneshwara Namayacha Jo Jivhar, meaning exceptional friend of Jnandev who is very close to Namdev. In such words, Sant Janabai has expressed splendid companionship between both of them. Affection, companionship and co-journey of Sant Namdev and Sant Jnandev is well known. Sant Namdev honors Sant Jnandev by saying, प्रत्यक्ष परब्रह्म मूर्ती केवल ईश्वर ज्ञानियाचा हा, real God with whole knowledge. And Sant Jnandev praise Sant Namdev by saying, प्रेमाचा पुतळा पंढरीचा प्रेम भंडारी, meaning idol of love and selfless devotee of God Vitthal. But ignoring the deep affection and respect amongst the two sons, many philosophers argue meaninglessly on who is the greatest sant. By their writing and talking, philosophers do a social sin by comparing them in the society. Sant Bahinabai, who came approximately after 350 years of these two sons, expresses their contribution in a very precious words such as ज्ञानदेवे रचियला पाया उभारिला देवालया नामातयाचा किंकर तेने केला विस्तार, meaning Sant Jnandev established temple of God Vitthal at Pandharpur and Namdev expanded that. So, by keeping Sant Bahinabai's views in mind, philosophers should spread ideology of Sant Namdev and Sant Jnandev's companionship. None of the two sons, Jnandev and Namdev, want to be the greatest. It is an argument between the followers and the philosophers only. According to some people, in Varkari sect, the work of Sant Namdev is ignored in the crowd of all these sons. It is also claimed that in bhajanas and kirtanas, Sant Jnandev and Sant Tukaram's hymns are specially sung and Sant Namdev's hymns are ignored. But due to illiteracy about social bhajanas and kirtanas, people used to make such claims and prejudice amongst these sons. In this matter, I want to suggest to the claimers that they should go to the ancestors of Namdev Maharaj settled at Pandharpur and should get proper information about bhajanas and kirtanas. More than that, in the CDs of HBP Baba Maharaj Satarkar, the Kirtana CD of Sant Namdev's Abhanga, Amhi Daivache Daivache, has broken all the records of sets. HBP Sonu Mama Dandekar and HBP Dhunda Maharaj Deglurkar's Kirtanas on Sant Namdev's Abhangas are very much famous. Sant Namdev, Sant Chokha Mela, along with all these sons, have honored Sant Jnandev's Jnaneshwari wholeheartedly. Sant Namdev honored Jnaneshwari by saying, नामा म्हणे श्रेष्ठ ग्रंथ ज्ञानदेवी एकतरी ओवी अनुभवावी. Meaning, Sant Namdev said, Jnaneshwari is the greatest religious book. Everyone must read at least one verses from it. Sant Namdev considered Sant Jnandev as his guru, teacher. अध्यात्म विद्येचे दाविलेचे रूप चैतन्याचा दीप उजळीला. He introduced spirituality and spread brightness. Study Jnaneshwari and Sant Namdev's Abhanga Gatha. Then you will come to know both Sant Jnandev and Sant Namdev's vision and ideology same. Poetry of both the sons directly touches common people's heart. Devotion in the society is the ideology of literature of both the sons. Sant Namdev and Maharashtra. Sant Namdev lived up to 82 years. In his work, there is no inequality amongst local, regional or national aspects. His whole work is to enlighten and spread devotion everywhere. We have classified his work for the sake of studies. Many people have already studied about his efficiency in literature by classifying it into different ways. First, Sant Namdev's Alandi Yatra to meet Sant Jnandev and other sons. Second, to go to Onda Nagnath at Visoba Khechar to achieve God and to spread devotion by Kirtanas. Third, Sant Namdev's Abhanga Gatha and his Kirtanas at different places. Let's think about these three events as Sant Namdev's regional work. Actually, it is an independent subject to study. Sant Namdev's conventional work of publicity and spreading of devotion is in Marathi. Let's consider it as his regional work. Sant Namdev goes to Alandi from Pandharpur to meet Sant Jnandev and his siblings and other sons. There, Nivruttinath bows his head on Sant Namdev's feet as representative and devotee of God Vitthal. According to Warkari tradition, it was a hospitality to bow head in front of Nivruttinath. But Sant Namdev don't do that. So, people feel strange about it. Jnandev's sister doesn't keep mums and ask a question directly. अखंड जयाला देवाचा शेजार कार्य अहंकार नाही गेला. Meaning, as you are close to God, then why your ego has not vanished? It is not enough. She again asked another question. पुरे ते दर्शन गुरुविन संतपण आहे कुठे? Muktabai said to him, if you don't have any guru, then you will not get sainthood. Then she tells senior Sant Goroba Kaka to judge Sant Namdev. Bhajale ki kore, meaning the ego went away or not. Many philosophers have doubt whether this incident happened in Pandharpur or Alandi. They should see Namdev's Abhanga number 1337. ना पुसता संत निघाला तेथुनी पहिलं पार इंद्रायणी प्राप्त झाला. मागे पुढे पाहे पलट तातडी आला उठाउठी पंढरीसी. Meaning, without informing, Sant Namdev started from there and reached up to Pandharpur. Then, by permission of God Vitthala, Sant Namdev reached to Onda Nagnath in search of Guru, and he got Visopa Khechar as his Guru. This is also a heart-touching incident. By meeting Guru Visoba Khechar, Sant Namdev got a very broad vision. God is not only in Vitthal's statue, He is widespread everywhere. This perspective made Namdev's Abhangavani universal. Many learners feel that his Abhangavani after this percept is different. His situation is like Nama pahe avagha jikde tikde deva. Wherever Sant Namdev sees, he sees only God. Then Sant Jnandev comes to Pandharpur to meet Sant Namdev and request him to come for pilgrimage. Now Sant Namdev understands the greatness of Sant Jnandev and other sons. Now Namdev bows his head and touches the feet as other sons bow their heads and touch the feet of him. नामाचे भेटी ज्ञानदेव आले, लोटांगण घातले नामदेवे. नामदेव म्हणे सफल माझे जीने, स्वामियाचे दर्शन धन्य झालो. Meaning, Sant Jnandev came to meet Sant Namdev and Namdev became very much pleased and he said, my life has become successful by seeing Sant Jnandev. This Afanga witnesses that how his mind has changed after meeting his guru Visoba Khechar. Sant Jnandev along with Sant Namdev and other sons did pilgrimage. It was a devotional and affectionate pilgrimage. By companionship and affection, love increased amongst each other and Meravili Mandi Vaishnavanchi. All Vaishnav people came together and the purpose became successful. In this pilgrimage, some incidences are miraculous. There is no need to write about it. We can see the images of pilgrimage which Sant Jnandev did with all other saints in the Sant Namdev's Abhangavani. Due to the experiences of pilgrimage, Sant Namdev may have got strength to come in this region in the rest of life and then he might have gone to Punjab. Once, Sant Namdev is doing Kirtana at Aundha Nagnath in front of Nageshwar temple. That time, some landowners and pujaris stopped his Kirtana and ordered him to continue his Kirtana at the backside of the temple. Suddenly, by the power of devotion, the whole temple rotates and temple's main door rotate towards Sant Namdev Maharaj. Sant Namdev's Abhangas and today's condition of the temple confirms this incident. Curious people can directly go to the temple and make it confirmed. This is the spectacular power of devotion and this is the effect of Sant Namdev's Kirtanas. Sant Namdev's Abhanga Gatha is the precious milestone of Marathi literature. Sant Namdev has inscribed these Abhangas at different times, different states of mind and different places and different situations. Sant Tukoba's Abhangas are available in his own handwriting, but Sant Namdev's handwritten material is not available. In further years of Abhanga Gatha, some devotees have written it and those copies are only available. From his handwritten copy, Maharashtra government has published Sant Namdev's Abhanga Gatha in 1970. From these 30 written copies, 21 are in Pandharpur, 1 is in Shrival, 1 is in Tanjavur, 1 in Dhule and 1 in Nagar. All are available. In Shrival's copy, highest 1232 Abhangas and in Pandharpur's copy, 849 Abhangas are there. This Abhanga Gatha is mixture of Sant Namdev's Abhangas with his family and disciple Janabai's Abhangas. Sant Namdev's Abhanga Gatha is precious wealth for whole Maharashtra. So this Abhanga Gatha is included in Namdev and Maharashtra, this article. In Sant Namdev's Abhanga Gatha, there are 31 lessons and 2337 Abhangas. His family and Janabai's appendix of Abhangas is different. In that, Mangal Charan, Bal Krida, Krishna Leela, Rama Katha Mahatmya, Vitthal Mahatmya, Pandhari Mahatmya, Vitthal Stuti, Shivaratra Mahatmya, Tulsi Mahatmya, Ganga Mahatmya, Nama Mahima, ज्ञानेश्वरांची आदी, तीर्थावली, ज्ञानेश्वर समाधी, सोपानदेव समाधी, चांगदेव समाधी, मुक्ताबाई समाधी, निवृत्तीनाथ समाधी, नामदेव चरित्र, उपदेश, रूपके and Hindi Padoli are all 31 lessons. In Vitthal Stuti and Nama Mahima, there are more than 1000 Abhangas each, though Mangal Charan lesson include only 5 Abhangas. Sant Namdev did not write this as a poetry, but it is utterance of words which came out genuinely due to his devotion towards God Vitthala. आम्हा सापडले वर्म करू भागवत धर्म. Meaning, we got aim of life and let us preach Bhagavat means devotion. To spread devotion towards God, Vitthala is the main motto of these Abhangas. Many philosophers and critics have opinion that Abhanga writing is mythological. It is not true also. It is true also. This inscription has poetry as well as combination of devotion and knowledge. Belovedness is the special quality of Sant Namdev's Abhangas. Sant Namdev, who is the symbol of wisdom, has expressed his views that Sant Namdev's poetry is Ha Rasa Adbhuta Nirupama. This philosophy is miraculous and incomparable. Namdev did not stop by inscribing only Abhangas and poetry, but also he travelled all over Maharashtra and spread ambrosia of devotion towards God Vitthala by impressive kirtanas. We can see Sant Namdev's enlightenment work which has spread all over villages and reached up to common people and communities by pilgrims. So, Bahinabai used to say, Tene kela ha vistar. Sant Namdev spread all this devotion and gives credit of spreading devotion to Sant Namdev's work. It is pertinent also. Sant Namdev and Hindustan. Sant Namdev is the first Sant enlightener of Maharashtra who carried the flag of devotion towards Vitthala out of Maharashtra. He went to Punjab via Gujarat and Rajasthan and did great national work. Sant Namdev's 63 Abhangas are included in Sikh religious book Guru Granth Sahib. This is happy and proud thing for all Marathi people. Sant Namdev lived for around 20 to 22 years at Punjab and worked for spreading devotion. There he got disciples like Vishnu Swami, Bahur Das, Jallo, Labdha, Keso, etc. This witnesses the success of his work. One of his disciples, Bahur Das, built his temple means Gurudwara at Guman, is today also hosting the flag of his national work gracefully. The bravery of Maharashtra's son and devotee of Pandhari, God Vittal, is inexpressible. We see many examples of conversion of religion and transformation of devotion under threat of sword all over the world. But Sant Namdev is the only unique personality who interacted by love and faith amongst each other. Sant Namdev's Abhangas included in Guru Granth Sahib is an unprecedented event. There is no obstacle of region, nor language, nor culture. Sant Namdev has extraordinary skill to accept others' language by giving respect to their emotions and to motivate people to accept others' language. And Sant Namdev did revolutionary work on the basis of love and affection without hate and conflict. For that, there is no challenge in the history. कोणाही जीवाचा न घडो मत्सर वर्म सर्वेश्वर पूजनाचे. Not to feel jealous about anyone is the outcome of devotion. His work is actual orientation of these verses. In Punjab, there is a big community of devotees of Sant Namdev. He is known as Baba Namdev Ji. In Punjab, there are many temples, gurudwaras, Sant Namdev other than Guman. There is a huge pilgrimage of Sant Namdev at Guman on Shuddha Dvitiya of Magh month, Hindu calendar. Sant Namdev stayed at Gujarat and Rajasthan while going to Punjab for some days. Devotee Narsi Mehta and devotee Mirabai have sung in their devotional song the type of work Sant Namdev did there. Other than this, great devotees Ramananda Kabir, Nanak, Raidas, Pipa from North India have also honored Sant Namdev in their poetries. Sant Kabir Das praise him very much respectfully and with full devotion, and consider him in the group of great devotees like Sukha, Uddhav, Akrur, Hanuman, etc. Sant Namdev get place with the poet Jaydev. Guru Parasadi Jaydev Nama, Pragati ki prem inhe kai jana. Like Sant Kabir, one Muslim Sant Dadu Dayal from Rajasthan has also praised Sant Namdev. Some philosophers and researchers of Hindi language have honored Sant Namdev and expressed gratitude about him for his contribution in primitive Hindi literature. Acharya Ramchandra Shukla, Dr. Bhagirathi Mishra, Dr. Rajanarayan Maurya, Acharya Hazari Prasad Dwivedi, Dr. Vinay Mohan Sharma, Devi Singh Chauhan, etc. have also appreciated Sant Namdev's work in their book. The strange thing is that Sant Namdev, who has reached at the highest peak in devotional poetry in Marathi, is also considered to be primitive poet of devotional virtuous poetry in Hindi also. Dr. Rajnarayan Maurya says, Sant Namdev, who came before Mahatma Kabir, was such a nice person who broadened the coordination between Hindi Sant and changed their views. Curious people must read Dr. Maurya's article Hindi Nirgun Parampara में नामदेव का योगदान from Rashtravanni. We must remember his other two works other than his written work Abhanga Gatha and his devotional pilgrimage till Punjab, and we must follow and practice it. Sant Namdev made Janabai her disciple, who was a maid servant at her home, and made her identity from servant Jani to Sant Jani. Sant Janabai has expressed greatness of Sant Namdev in her Abhangas. Sant Janabai's Abhanga from 13th century, Stri Janma Mononi Navave Udasa. Don't feel disappointed as you got birth as a woman. Today also inspires and cheers poor, helpless and hard-working women. How do we behave like this with our mate at home? See that. Then you will come to know greatness of Sant Namdev. Another work done by Sant Namdev is that he built tomb of Sant Chokha Mela by his own hands at main entrance of Vitthal temple at Pandharpur. If we consider social and religious condition of that time, then this is really a revolutionary work. Today also in modern states like Maharashtra, there are attacks on downtrodden people. Water is not given to them. In such circumstances, Sant Namdev dared to build Sant Chokha Mela's tomb at the main entrance is really a revolutionary work. What type of social work Pilgrim Saint did? Sant Namdev's work is action-oriented answer to this question. At Pandharpur, at the main entrance, in front of Sant Chokha Mela's tomb, there is Sant Namdev's tomb on the first step of the temple. Namha म्हणे आम्ही पायरीचे चिरे, meaning Namdev said, we are the stones of the steps. With this emotion, Sant Namdev took last breath on the first step of main entrance of Vitthal temple. Sant Namdev expressed his wish in one Abhanga that all sons' holy feet could touch him on this step. Every year, on occasion of birth anniversary of Sant Namdev, at the main entrance in front of his tomb, Sant Namdev Smaran Saptaha, a week in his memories, is celebrated. The celebration ends with Kala Kirtan, sung hymns at the end of Kala. A traditional food is distributed. Everyone knows Pasaidan of Sant Jnaneshwar. Sant Namdev has also asked such Pasaidan in front of universal God Vithala. Let us end the article with one of the abhanga from the Pasayada. अकल्प आयुष्य व्हावे तया कुळा, माझी या सकळा हरीच्या दासा. कल्पनेची बाधा न हो कोणी काही, ही संत मंडळी सुखी असो. अहंकाराचा वारा न लागो राजसा, माझ्या विष्णुदासा भाविकासी. नामा म्हणे तया असावे कालियान, ज्या मुखी निधान पांडुरंग. थँक्यू.